Welcome to the tourism face of Osun State. Olofin Oduduwa is believed to have been the actual founder of the Yoruba people. It is believed that long time ago, a hunter called Olofin Oduduwa settled in a place now known to be a settlement of the Yoruba people. His wife was Omonide. They are said to have had 7 children, 1 girl and 6 boys. 5 of the boys are said to have traveled to different parts of the country. One of them went to Benin and became the Oba of Benin. One of them went to Ila and became the Oragon. One went to Sabe and became the Onisabe. One went to Ketu and became the Oniketu. While the last went to Ake and became the Alake. The only female child gave birth to a son who left for Owu and became the Olowu. It is believed that another son of Olofin Oduduwa, not from Omonide, was named Ogun. He was a powerful man who frequently conducted marauding expeditions to various parts of the Yoruba kingdom. It is of the opinion of the elders that a group of people were living on the land when Olofin Oduduwa arrived. That is why our elders say that no one knows the source of the Yoruba dynasty. Akiri di okun, akiri di ọ̀sà, bẹ́ẹ̀ni akiri di ìtàn ìṣẹ̀dálẹ̀ Ifẹ̀ òde ayé. No one is able to trace the origin of the sea. No one is able to trace out the origin of the lagoon. And no one can have accurate knowledge of the history of the origin of Ife, the birthplace of human race. By Yoruba tradition, every paramount district head is completely independent of another Oba's control. In those days, a paramount Oba, by his military powers, could extend his authority to the land of others. This was known as the rule by the right of conquest. Yes, we may not be able to find out the source and origin of the Yoruba people, but we can try to retrace our past to discover the hidden treasures, our cultural artifacts, and the black race. Welcome to Osun State, an inland state in southwestern Nigeria. Its capital is Osogbo. It is bounded by the north by Kwara, in the east by Ekiti State, and partly by Ondo State, in the south by Ogun State, and in the west by Oyo State. The state's current governor is Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola. Osun State is home to several of Nigeria's most famous landmarks, including the campus of the Obafemi Awolowo University. The university is located in the current ancient town of Ile-Ife, the cradle of Yoruba culture. Other important cities and towns include the ancient kingdom capital of Oke Ila Orogun,